Hi, in this video, I intend to teach you how to verify and complete your account on TrioMarkets. After registration, you click on Start Live Account at this section in TrioMarkets, and then you answer financial questions. Below that, you respond to questions about your trading experience and your financial and employment status. After entering the information, you click Next. Then, you need to upload a photo of the front and back of your ID card by clicking on Browse and selecting the file to upload. After that, you click Save. After uploading the documents, you click on Proof of Residence and upload a document like a bank statement or a utility bill, which should be dated within the last 3 months. Finally, you click Save. And in the deposit verification section, you upload a copy of your transaction history. In this section, you select the type of document you want to upload. Then you click on Browse and finally click Save. And to upload additional documents, you can click on Other. And if you wish, you can select and upload the documents by selecting the document type. And finally, click on Save. And to check your verification status, click on My Profile. And as you can see, our account was fully verified. Good luck.